Hi everyone, today I'm unboxing the very first Wi-Fi 7 USB network adapter. I've already opened this to see what are the speeds, whether it's worth uploading on YouTube or is it just like a advertising kind of a thing. So I checked and I realized, okay, this one has a good performance speeds. So let's go and see what comes in this, and then I will show you the network speeds, like both upload and download for 1 hop and 2 hop. So we have this adapter itself. I had already opened and checked it, so let's just open it, take this out. So this is the adapter. It's a USB A, but I have the USB A to USB C connector, and it has these two antennas. Let's make this work. So we have these two antennas, and then we have this quick installation guide, which I do not think that I would need it. And there is this connector if you wanna connect it to the PC or somewhere on your desk, which I don't think I'm gonna use that, so I'm keeping everything all inside. Now let's go and run the download and upload speed. So I have this Wi-Fi 7 beast router, and it supports 2.4 5 and 6 gigahertz band, so it's a quad band. So I'm gonna run the iPerf between this adapter to this router for a 1-hop connection for both upload and download, and then I will check the connection from here to this router and from this router to this PC to see what is the 2-hop speed. So this adapter is connected to 6 gigahertz band, and we can see the channel as I showed you earlier is 133. And now I'm running the iPerf between this laptop's adapter from here to this router, and from this router we have this connection of Ethernet to this PC. So yeah, but I'm running directly on a router. So this script is running on a router, not in a PC, just to see what performance can we get from this adapter to that router specifically, and then we will check from this adapter to this router and via this router to this PC. As we can see, the iPerf is running right now, and I'm just entering in to see what bandwidth do we get on 6 gigahertz band. So these are the speeds that we get on this 6 gigahertz band. I'm not sure what is the bandwidth, whether it's 80 megahertz or 160, or I mean the adapter supports 160 up to 160 megahertz, so I believe that would be the one. So let's run it once again to see whether the numbers are the same. Mostly they are the same, in the range of 750 or 800 megabits per second. Now let's run the iPerf from this adapter to this router, and from this router to this PC, to see what is the 2-hop throughput. So I need to change the IP address. Let's do this. What? Wow. Why does it happen? I really don't understand why does it happen. So the connection of 1 hop from this adapter to this router was 700 to 800 Mbps, but the connection, the 2-hop, shows that it's about 1.34 Gbps, which is pretty good, I believe. So that was the upload speed, okay, like from this adapter to this router to the internet, okay, like to the desktop. Now let's run the download speed. So I'm running the iPerf for this adapter, which is on this PC, and let's see what results do we get from the access point directly. So this is the 1 hop connection from this adapter to that Wi-Fi 7 router. Pretty good. Amazing. So it's almost 1.1 Gbps. Let's run it once again to see whether the results are consistent. Yeah, pretty much good. So now let's do the same for for 2 hops. It's 2 Gbps almost. Let's run it again. It's mind-blowing.